Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, today on the big Suzuki, I wanted to put the engine casings back on, polish them up, stand back and admire the results. But unfortunately, the gaskets are still not here and I can't put them on without the gaskets. They're on back order, should be with me middle of next week, maybe. But in the absence of that and a few other parts I'm still waiting for, I can still do the fork oil today. So today, GSX 1400 fork oil change. Let's do that. All right, inevitably, some will argue that you should strip the forks down to their barest component and clean everything and put them back together. Yes, you should. If you can do that, if you have the skill set to do it, get on and do it. If you have the money to pay someone else, book it in. But if you don't have the money to pay someone to do it, and you don't have the skills or the confidence to do it yourself, then yes, you should still change the oil. The oil should be changed on a periodic basis. It's in your service schedule. Read it, you'll see it. If you don't change it, that's what happens. That's absolutely disgusting. It stinks of eggs. It's like water. Horrible. And there's no way your bike is performing properly with that in the forks. So even if you can't strip them down, you can't afford someone else to do it, you can still change the oil. Open them up, drain it out, pump them clear, put the fresh oil in, put them back together. Sort the quantities out. All of the spec is in your manual. Buy yourself a manual, you'll be able to do jobs like that. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.